If there is one pest that causes more sleepless nights, anxiety, and pure psychological trauma than any other, it's the bed bug. In my career, I've seen the desperation these pests cause. I've also seen homeowners spend fortunes on bug bombs, miracle sprays from the internet, and even professional chemical treatments that just didn't work. Why do traditional methods fail so often? Two reasons. Resistance. Bedbugs have evolved to resist many common synthetic pesticides. You spray them, and they just keep walking. Hiding behavior. You can only kill what you can hit. If a chemical doesn't touch the bug directly, it survives deep inside your mattress or wall void to breed another day. I grew tired of seeing traditional methods fail. That's why I changed my approach entirely. I don't just try to poison bedbugs anymore. I use biology against them. I use a product called Aprehend. It's not a typical chemical, it's a biopesticide made of fungal spores. Here is why it has become my gold standard for ending bedbug infestations. What is Aprehend? The science part. Aprehend is a revolutionary formulation containing spores of a natural fungus called Bovaria bassiana. This fungus exists in nature specifically to target insects. Think of it not as a poison that needs to be ingested, but as a contact disease for bedbugs. How it works? The invisible minefield. When I treat a room with Aprehend, I am not spraying every square inch of your bed. Instead, I am strategically applying invisible barriers in the areas where bedbugs must travel, around the bed frame, headboard, baseboards, and furniture legs. Here is the genius of the system. The crossing. A bedbug leaves its hiding spot at 3 a.m. to feed. It crosses one of the barriers I've treated. It doesn't die instantly. It doesn't even know anything happened. But tiny fungal spores have stuck to its legs and body. The infection. Within 24 hours, those spores germinate and penetrate the bedbug's exoskeleton. Once inside, the fungus grows, taking over the bug's body and eventually killing it. The Trojan horse effect. The game changer. This is why Aprehend is superior to standard sprays. Because the bedbug doesn't die right away, it travels back to its hidden harborage, deep inside the mattress seam or behind the wall outlet. When it gets there, it grooms itself and rubs against other bedbugs, transferring the spores to them. I don't need to find every single bug. I just need to infect a few scouts, and they carry death back to the entire colony. Why I choose Aprehend for your home. There are plenty of ways to kill a bedbug in a petri dish, but killing them in a cluttered bedroom is different. Here is why I rely on this product. No resistance. Bedbugs cannot build up a resistance to a fungal infection. It works every time. It kills the hiders. Standard chemicals kill the ones you see. Aprehend kills the ones you don't see because of the transfer effect. Long-lasting residual. The treated barriers remain active for up to 3 months. Any bed bug that hatches from an egg weeks after I leave will still walk through the barrier and become infected. Less prep work. Some treatments require you to turn your house upside down. While sanitation is still important, Aprehend requires significantly less aggressive preparation than heat treatments or heavy chemical sprays. The final verdict: bed bugs are tough, resilient creatures. Trying to fight them with outdated chemicals is a losing battle. By using Aprehend, I'm using smarter science to ensure that when I treat your home, the nightmare is finally over.